Well, good afternoon. This is Rich, and we did have the crop report today, and we saw a fairly volatile day in trading. We did have December corn with a 27-cent range, counting the night session. Even during the day trade today, over a 15-cent range as we tried to sort out exactly what the value ought to be in corn after that report. Soybeans the same way. We were about an 18-cent range just during the day session. The bean market held up fairly well. The ending stocks on beans still lowered about 5 million bushels when it was all said and done to 160 million. That's a fairly tight number, and the bean market kind of showed that here today with some pretty good support. Corn did trade double digits lower much of the day, but was able to come back here near the close and actually trade back to unchanged at one point. So pretty good support there as well. The wheat market took the brunt of the selling today. Big jump in ending stocks here in U.S. wheat, big jump in world ending stocks of wheat as well. And so we saw pretty big selling, just flat out selling in wheat. We saw some spread trading, buying either corn or soybeans, selling wheat. So, but the main function there was the selling of the wheat side. And finally, the cotton market selling as well today with a jump in ending stocks, with another cut in exports. That's the fourth month in a row we've seen USDA cut the U.S. export projection. Here at the close, we had December corn down 4 1/4 at 640 3/4. March corn down 4 3/4 at 652 3/4. November soybeans up 4 at 1239 1/2. January beans up 3 1/4 at 1249 1/2. December cotton down 296 at 100.51. December 12 cotton down 186 at 92.50. December Chicago wheat down 34 cents at 626 3/4. December Kansas City down 18 3/4 at 711, and Minneapolis December down 32 3/4 at 903 3/4. The dollar was down about 6.5 of a point today, which is normally fairly supportive to the commodity markets. Could have had something to do with the corn market coming back towards the close. Crude down 82 cents a barrel at 84.99. Gold up $21 an ounce at 16.81, and the Dow up 86 points at the end at 11,416. Nothing in the works for tomorrow. Friday morning we'll get the weekly export sales report, normally out Thursday, but postponed due to the government holiday this week. Looks like we'll go back to trading demand. We'll watch and see if we get any changes in demand. See China show up in the market once again. Certainly would be have an impact on the markets, and we'll watch these outside markets as well. Have a good evening. We'll talk to you tomorrow.